The kind of exercise you need when you have Chaetoglobosin is resistance, resistance, resistance. Food-wise, organic dairy. Dairy has some activity that combats the Chaetoglobosin. Cruciferous vegetables, what that's doing is a NRF2 activator, so it's enhancing cellular resistance. And 2 amino acids, which is a lot of times I would use these IV because people were having symptoms of collagen breakdown and things like that from we didn't know what. And then when we found out it was mold, it was like, oh, this is Chaetoglobosin. That's what this is. So 2 amino acids, proline and lysine, are often, or tyrosine, also lysine. Those 3 help with Chaetoglobosin, but those 2, proline and tyrosine, I was putting in people's IVs to help with the tissue part that I didn't know had mold illness. And then when I dug more into mold and I was like, bing, okay, all my Chaetoglobosin people need proline and tyrosine. Tyrosine for the thyroid contribution, and proline, these are 2 amino acids that help with the pathway that Chaetoglobosin is invading or stopping. The kind of exercise you need when you have Chaetoglobosin is resistance, resistance, resistance. No aerobic, because you're going to cause more thinning of the muscle. So resistance training, heavy weights, slow negative. So you do, let's say a bicep curl. You're taking the bicep curl up and then you go slowly on the out so that we're building and stressing that muscle. Anything that progressively increases the resistance over time is going to help with rebuilding the muscle. You're not going to get anywhere with aerobic exercise. Optimize your fat-soluble nutrients because it is a completely lipid-soluble molecule, and it's bumping out your A, D, E, and K, CoQ10, phosphatidylcholine, essential fats. Those are all of the things that Chaetoglobosin is bumping off.